Yo, what is up everyone? Tachi here. So today we're going to be doing something a little different from usual. I'm actually going to be resoldering a new battery onto this Pokemon crystal. I actually just sold this recently and unfortunately they had to send it back because it was not saving. Goes to show you should definitely verify whether or not your stuff is actually still doing that. Especially the older games, because chances are these old batteries are probably no good anymore. So just keep that in mind if you guys ever happen to sell anything. All right, that's one side off, and then the other side, and we should be good to go. So there's still a little tiny bit of solder under here. It seems to be holding on tight. Okay, so that goes the old one. I have the new battery here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on there. I'm gonna try to line it up as best as I can, but of course, one-handed. All right, so, oh, I had it. All right, finish this up. Okay, we should be good to go. We'll go ahead and put this back in the housing. It's still a little hot, but should be fine for the purposes of testing it. Oh, you guys are gonna have some trouble seeing this. So as you guys can see here, I'm gonna go ahead and save. And if it works after saving, you should pretty much be able to tell because it's just gonna actually say pretty much like the load game. And as you guys can see there, it says continue. So this has actually ended up working, which is good news for me. Hopefully you learned something. This is actually my second soldering. I did it for the gold version just last week. With that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. For now though, I am out. Have a nice day.